কলকাতায় ইন্ডিয়ান ব্যাংকের বিশেষ ভিবিএক্স কাস্টমার মিট অনুষ্ঠিত হলো। 25 আগস্ট সল্টলেক স্টেডিয়াম সংলগ্ন দ্য স্টেডিলে আয়োজিত এই অনুষ্ঠানে 200-রও বেশি নির্বাচিত ভিবিএক্স পার্ক কাস্টমার্স অংশগ্রহণ করেন। অনুষ্ঠানে ইন্ডিয়ান ব্যাংকের সিজিএম মিসেস ভ্যালির রাত সহ বিভিন্ন শীর্ষ আধিকারিক উপস্থিত ছিলেন। গ্রাহকদের আরো সহজ, দ্রুত, ব্যক্তিগত কেন্দ্রিক ডিজিটাল ব্যাংকিং পরিষেবা দেওয়ার লক্ষ্যে ভিবিএক্স এর বিভিন্ন সুবিধা ও বৈশিষ্ট্য নিয়ে আলোচনা হয়। পাশাপাশি গ্রাহকদের অভিজ্ঞতা, প্রত্যাশা ও পরিষেবা সংক্রান্ত মতামত সরাসরি শোনেন ব্যাংক কর্তৃপক্ষ। প্রযুক্তি ও উদ্ভাবনের মাধ্যমে উন্নত গ্রাহক অভিজ্ঞতা গড়ে তোলার ক্ষেত্রে এই কাস্টমার মিটকে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ পদক্ষেপ হিসেবে দেখছে ইন্ডিয়ান ব্যাংক।
Mr. Nilmani Bharadwaj, all the zonal managers of all the zones present here, colleagues from my corporate office, Mr. Sethi, Neil, and all the colleagues and the branch managers who are present here. I once again extend a very warm welcome to all of you for this special evening, which is an evening meant for our virtual banking experience customers. It's my proud privilege to welcome you once again here. You have taken out your time on a working day, despite the rainy season. All of you took out your time to come here on our request. It's a great thing. It means a lot for us. They say that a bank may have a good balance sheet, a bank may have a good digital products and many other products. But what actually the bank has, which means a lot, is the trust and the loyalty of the customers. A big round of applause for all our customers here. Before I proceed on why this gathering today, briefly I would like to inform all of you that your bank, that is Indian Bank, is a 120-year-old bank. Recently on 15th August, we celebrated our 128th Foundation Day. And today the bank is the 7th largest public sector bank with a business of around 15 lakh crore. And we have around branches, more than 6,018 branches. And I think in FGMO Kolkata span, more than 400 branches are there to serve all of you. And of course, the bank has been a profit-making bank. Last March, we registered a profit of more than 12,000 crore. And if you look into the profit parameters or the asset quality, the bank is in the topmost. And in fact, in market cap, also the bank is in the topmost. So all this has been possible because of the support, the patronage from all of you who are present here. The bank has been doing lot of things in tandem with the industry trend. The bank has been moving towards digitalization. It embarked on the digital journey way back in 2022, and then from then we are not looking back. It is going forward and forward. We started with the digital, making the lending journey digital. In fact, straight through processing, like the personal loan and all, it was made straight through. In 3 clicks, we were able to do a personal loan. Then we started doing lot of other digital journey for home loan, vehicle loan. Now, as I stand over here, we have the omni-channel experience, which we launched in June 24 to be precise, in the form of InSmart mobile banking and net banking. And today, I'll tell you that we are still progressing further. On 15th August this year, we have launched conversational AI especially for VBX customers, and personal finance management tool, the way you get it in other private banks. In fact, conversational AI, we are the only bank in public sector group who has launched this